We are kneading dough.
We are kneading dough.
I am frying eggs.
I am frying eggs.
He is slicing bread with a knife.
He is slicing bread with a knife.
My mom is packing my lunch.
My mom is packing my lunch.
I am boiling eggs.
I am boiling eggs.
We are enjoying pizza.
We are enjoying pizza.
I am stirring the soup.
I am stirring the soup.
We should wash vegetables before cooking.
We should wash vegetables before cooking.
He is grilling fish.
He is grilling fish.
The chef is pinching spices while cooking.
The chef is pinching spices while cooking.
She is toasting bread.
She is toasting bread.
I am grating cheese.
I am grating cheese.
She is whisking yogurt.
She is whisking yogurt.
I am peeling potatoes.
I am peeling potatoes.
I am whipping cream.
I am whipping cream. Mom is baking cookies.
Mom is baking cookies. I am boiling pasta.
I am boiling pasta.
I am dicing potatoes.
I am dicing potatoes.
He is chopping vegetables.
He is chopping vegetables.